holiday, right? Only person supposed to say that. So my bad, A-Twin. Hey, Liliana.
So I added 4 cups of rice, so that means I'm gonna add 5 cups of water. And of course, the salt and seasoning is to taste. Once most of the water has evaporated, that's when we cover. And that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a try. Let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and comment, and share. Have a good one. Bye.